So yes sir, we back again after video na naman ang ito, harikat video, basta yun. Sana walang cheater. Hindi natin walang cheater by. I hope there is no cheater, man. Let's play. And boom! And the match has started. I hope there's no cheater. I hope, man. There's no cheater this game again. Sana walang cheater. Sana boy. Ay, naku, Abrams na nagamit ko ba eh. Agad, bilis eh. May 69. Behind me. The noob level 68. Yup, oh my god, I'm right. Double shit, bro. How what? La! Yo! Oh shit. Ang ano na. Grabe yun, no? Ginamitan pa rin. Grabe. See that there? Oh my god. There's a lot of them. Oh my god. Hurry cut those position, man. Fix the game. Hurry cut go. What the hell is going on? Fix this game. Gagger ka. Sus ka. Para ako yun sa video. Red. Let's go. Secure B. Ako akyat. That's it. I died at the first game. Again. First game again, man. First game na naman eh. First game, shit. Ano yun? Clear the area. Oh. Oh, you think you're cool? Bro, yes. Yes, sir. Nice shot, bro. Nice shot. Fuck. Whoa, shit, see that, bro? Nice shot. That's enough. Oh shit. Leave the place right now, bro. Leave the place. Let's leave the place. And ammunition. Go. Secure the B. Oh my god. We are securing the B. Oh shit. Wait. Just wait. Oh, no. Okay. I'm coming. man. Just wait. Oh my god. What the fuck? What is your problem, bro? Oh. There's nothing here, man. Stop prompting yourself, ano? See that, bro? 1 kill, 1 death. What a nice stuff. Sniper, sniper. Oh, man. Now, it's getting silent. There's a car. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wait a minute. Hello, my friend, prankster. Oh, oh shit. I can't do that shit. Just wait, just wait. Oh shit, my friend, what are you doing, man? You can shoot down that shit, man. Okay, shit. I can. Someone died. This one. Oh shit. Aray ko, Diyos ko po. Oh shit, that's hurt. What the heck? Bro, what the heck? Bro, what the heck? Shit! Fuck, man, I'm dead. Four. I'm dead, I know that, I'm dead. Gusto nyo talaga yung ano? Chopper attack. Watch this. You're gonna get attacked. Using my KTK 129. This is my Lucky Charm Jet. Ito na pinakaswerte sa akin. Ito lang yung gara. Ito lang yung chopper na to. Grabe, 1K loaded. Sige, boy natin yan. Babawiin natin yan. Hindi naman natin mabawi natin. Sana ba mabawi natin, men? Sana nga. I hope we can upgrade our stats. 0.50. Wow, man. Absolute trash player. O, sige lang yan eh. Trash player ka ng laro ng mga game na to. Ang ano nga, cheater. Grabe. Ay, grabe cheater to. Gago to. Wait lang, baka mag-aaya tayo eh. Wait lang, wait. Hindi mo na tataas. I'm gonna wait for your signal. We're gonna use high altitude to take our game properly. To take the kill. Let's go for high altitude. And we're good to go. Yep. Good to go. Where are you, my friend? What the heck? What the heck? How? It's an allied, yo. No, sorry, bro. I thought you're hostile. Oh shit. Atras! Back. Bok. Nice one, my friend. 2 kill, 2 dead. Holy shit. Oh shit, sorry. Yari ka sa akin. Kala mo di kita babalikan, lika dito. Aray ko, ang hirap nito, bay. Oh no, it's hard. We're gonna blind strike this shit. Fail strike. Ano yung kampi ko ba matake sa akin? Ala! Kampi ko pala. Ala, loko-loko. Loko yun, oh. Ala. Loko ka. Gusto mo tayo atakin nito. Okay.
There's a stranger in the bed. Anybody in the head.
Okay, kaya pala eh. Yes, first time we're gonna win. We're gonna win again, my friend. Win. 2 kill, 2 death. That's okay. That's a fair stats. Kahit noob tayo. That's a pretty fair stats. A pretty fair, man. Oh, shit. Grabe yung ano natin na pinaggamal ko tayong kalaban. Sabi na nga ba eh. Uy, grabe lakas nito. Si Sakayashi. Nice game, my friend. Oh, shit. His tools down for tank. Double kill. Oh. Nice kill. Oh my god. He is stronger than me. Level check. What? He's 42. Oh shit. And me is 68 but struggle to get kill. But it's okay, man. This is a content. Not a pro fight. I know that. I'm not a pro. What the fuck? Bro, stop, man. Bro, stop. I'm an allied forces. Shit. Wala na. Oh. So this is safe. Wait. I told you. I told you, my friend. They are not safe from hiding. Oh my god. No one is safe for hiding, my friend. What the heck? What the fuck is that? Someone is running. Run, my friend, run. Someone is running, my friend. What the heck? Whoa. This is getting hard, man. Nagiging mahirap yung game, Nagiging mahirap. 3 kill, 2 death. Oh shit. Ito pala bida. Hindi pala bida. So. Nice kill, 4 kill. Woohoo, free kill lang boy. Saan ang isa? Takas. My friend, run. My friend. I hope we can win this match. Let's forward. And we are winning. Woohoo!